Students, how are you all? This is your computer science teacher Chaitra from Mangala Vidya Mandira. So in this class we are going to learn about Microsoft PowerPoint 10, PowerPoint 2010. So what we are going to learn about this, that is what is a presentation. So basically we learn what is a presentation, then what is PowerPoint 2010, then why it is used. Basically this is a software, so hope you know about the differentiation between the software and the hardware. So starting PowerPoint, how to start the PowerPoint 2010, then what are slides, then starting a presentation, how to start a presentation. First is starting PowerPoint is how to go to the PowerPoint, and so second is starting a presentation is how to start a presentation, then saving your presentation and opening your presentation. So Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So what is basically a presentation? First we learn presentation, then why we use this PowerPoint, why it is called as Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So what is a presentation? So you can just see in the image they are giving some presentations. So that a speech or a talk in which a product, idea or a piece of work is shown and explained to the audience. So it can be any product, or it can be any idea, or it can be any piece of work. Whatever you have done is shown to the audience and explain to the audience. So whatever now I am doing is also a PowerPoint presentation that I am explaining you all. So this is called as presentation. We are presenting something, is nothing but a presentation. That will be our idea. It has to reach many other people also. So how we are going to tell it so that it is reached to the other persons or the audience who are listening to. So this is nothing but the presentation, a speech or a talk in which a new product, idea or a piece of work is shown to the audience is called as presentation. So when we want to show something, so it should be very attractive so that it is very useful also and others can understand easily. If we talk orally, nobody else will understand. So if we show some images, or if we show something which is in a short and sweet way, then everybody can understand. So presentations are used in educational training program, business developments, health classes, etc. Nowadays a PowerPoint presentation is used to express idea with the visual slides. So what is visual? It comes audio and the video. You can just see here teacher is explaining about the something related to science. So when you're going to see it like in your eyes, you're going to able to understand what it is. So if I say human brain, you can't just imagine what is a human brain. So if I show you the image of the human brain, then you have an idea that this is how the brain looks like. So you can just understand this is the brain and these are the parts of the brain or something like that. So you need a audio as well as the video to show to get understood better. So for this we are going to use the PowerPoint, that is Microsoft PowerPoint software. So it is a software from the Microsoft Corporation. So this is PowerPoint presentation 2010. So Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is a software of the Microsoft Office. So what is the software? Again, software is the thing which we cannot be touched and seen. So it is inbuilt inside. So we can just add pictures, move text, songs, listen to songs, see the movies, etc. Now let us see how to start the PowerPoint. So click on the start menu, start button on the desktop, right? So you're going to click on the start menu on the desktop. Select all programs. You're going to go to all programs. Then there you're going to search for the Microsoft Office, and then you're going to click on the Microsoft PowerPoint. So or else you can just double click on the PowerPoint icon which will be present on the, if you have created a shortcut of the particular icon, it will be created on the desktop. You can directly click on it. No need to go like this. You can just directly click on the icon. So this is the PowerPoint presentation window or a screen. So you can just see here, this is the file tab which you have options like open, save as, print, exit, etc. And this is the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbars are the toolbars where it is accessible quickly. This is the save button. Instead of going to file and clicking save, you can just click on this particular one button, that is the save button. So it is undo and redo is all option is also there here. So you can easily rectify your mistakes. So next is the ribbon. This part is called as ribbon, where you get all the options, and this is the title bar, the title of your presentation. This is the slide. It looks like this. This is the slide where you are going to write something, and these are the outline pane or slides. So how much you have taken slides will come over here, so that you will understand better. So this is the notes pane. Notes pane is you're going to add some notes related to particular slide if you want. And this is the toolbars where you're going to do the slideshow. And this is the slide number. How many numbers of slides you have taken. So if you're going to click on this, there are 2 slides and you have taken first slide out of 2 slides. So you have created that there are 10 slides, and if you're going to click on the first slide, then you're going to give slide 1 of 10. So there are 10 slides and you have just taken up 1 slide. So next, what is the slides? So you can just see here, slides are there here. PowerPoint presentation is a collection of slides. You can just imagine slides are nothing but your pages. Single page, you have many hundred pages, right? So it is there inside the book. So PowerPoint is like a book, and inside that you have many pages. It is nothing but the slide. Then slides are the individual pages of the presentation. So slide consists of titles, text, graphs, click paths, etc. There are many options which everything is incorporated inside the particular slide. So slide is actual area where we are going to create the presentation. In a slide we can edit the text. Yes, we can edit the text. We can insert pictures. We can insert tables, we can insert charts, word art, whatever the manipulations we can do inside the presentation. So next, let us see how to start a presentation, starting of a presentation. So once you're going to go inside the window, you open the window, then you're going to click on the new slide here. Then you get more options. You want like this, you're going to take out the tile and the content. So next, if you're going to give the tile and the content, you will get like this screen. So you can just see here, this is the title. You're going to add the title, what I have written like this. So then you need to add some image, or you can just type the text, or you need to add some word art, clip art, whatever it is. So all the options is given here. So this is for the title and this is for to add the text. Start by opening a blank presentation in the PowerPoint. Select the title slide option. Type in your title and the subtitle. Set a background for the entire presentation. Add a new slides. So they have not created any background here. This is the background. It's already present. It's a ready format in the presentation. So you can just add your image also background, and you can just give some colors to the text. So whatever the things you can do, it can be done inside this text box. That is, click to add the text. So next is saving presentation. So how to save the presentation? Once you have created, it has to be saved, right? Otherwise the work what you have done will go. So you need to save it. You need to go to File tab and you need to choose the Save As option. It will ask whether it has to be saved in the OneDrive drive, or it has to be shared, or it has to be in your computer where you're going to, or you need to add some other place where you want to save this presentation. So it asks you, if you click on the computer, it asks where it need to be saved. So you can just click on the desktop or a documents and give .pptx as extension. What? PPTX, that is one. Suppose I have created a document called as one, that is PowerPoint 1. So I will give 1.pptx, or you can give save the type as PowerPoint presentation. Automatically it will take. So locate and select the save command on the quick access toolbar. If you are saving the file for the first time, the save as pane will appear in the backstage view. Then you will need to choose where to save the file and give it a file name. The save as dialog box will appear. Next, opening presentation. So suppose you have already created, you need to go to the file option again and you are going to click on the open. So it will ask where it is. So you can go to particular file. If you know the file name, you can go directly to there and you can just click on open button. So locate the file and select the open command on the quick access toolbar. If you are saving the file for the first time, the save as pane will appear in the, if then you need to choose the file which has to be opened. So the open dialog box will appear. Locate and select your presentation. Click open. Next, so this completes your the small chapter, that is presentation, PowerPoint presentation 2010. Hope you understood everything. So whatever the queries or whatever the doubts you have, please ask me in the group if you have not understood any concepts. So read the textbook correctly, and what are all the activities of the previous chapters, please do complete it and submit in the group. So no. So whatever the activities of this particular exercises will be posted in the group. So if you have any queries, please do ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.